simple orange can grow your hair. Let me explain. The cause of your hair issues is due to acidosis, which means that your body is highly acidic, and the acids from the food you're eating, from the milk products, the animal products in general, from the cooked starches, has accumulated to such an extent that it's begin to burn tissue and organs and hair follicles. That's why your hair falls. That's why you see dandruff. Think of this like chemo. When someone goes on a chemo, what happens to the person's hair? It all falls out. Chemo is acid. It's literally battery acid, okay? When you consume foods that are acidic, the same thing happens. It just takes a longer period of time. So when you start losing your hair, it means that the acids are catching up with you. So you want to switch from acidic diet to an alkaline diet. You eat fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Fruits are highly astringent, very powerful. They move the lymphatic system, they clean the kidneys out, they'll get your blood flowing properly, they'll fix almost everything in the body that's necessary to be fixed, and your hair is going to thank you for it, okay? Your skin is going to glow, your health is going to improve as well.